Sauk Valley's Weather Authority, this is Sauk Valley Weather Today with meteorologist Andrew Stutzky.
Good Friday morning. We're heading into a Memorial Day weekend that is again going to feel more like the 4th of July. Kind of a really strange pattern we have going on, but you can get these occasional heat waves this time of year. And boy, are we starting that summer heat wave off early. A big rise in the jet stream all the way up to Canada. Notice all of the influx of warmer temperatures, several 100-degree readings expected in the southern to middle part of the country. Here we're bathed in the 90s. So really a strong signal for some warmth that's going to continue. And another thing that's going to tie into this is we could have some tropical development in the Gulf of Mexico later this weekend into early next week. And anytime we get that kind of a setup, what it tends to do is actually block the pattern. So the heat that continues to surge over the area is likely going to continue not only this weekend, but throughout much of next week, especially if this disturbance can establish itself and then begin to ride a little bit to the north and to the west. Now, the good news is there is some relief that we could see from an occasional thunderstorm cluster or two, but more often than not, it does appear most of our days will be dry. Notice that comfort level is going to be decreasing as we go throughout the weekend. So we felt a little bit of that humidity yesterday. Today we're going to feel a little bit more, slowly increasing for Saturday, really getting uncomfortable by Sunday, and Memorial Day a little bit more comfortable, but still it's going to feel quite sticky. Now that could feel a couple active thunderstorms. We're in a marginal risk for severe weather today and tonight. The higher risk for severe storms I think is off to the north and west. Biggest threat's going to be some strong winds, possibly up to 50, 60 miles per hour, and perhaps some hail with any of the storms that can form later this afternoon, primarily after 3 o'clock or so as temperatures head towards 90 degrees. We had 89 yesterday, likely to do 90 today. And again, a little bit on the warm side with some of that humidity creeping in as we get into the afternoon hours. Still comfortable tomorrow, 92. We could see some morning storms. The afternoon so far looking dry. Sunday looking dry as we head towards 93. Memorial Day, a toasty 92. Heat index values likely in the middle 90s. Not much better for Tuesday. We still stay about 90 degrees, increasing chances for a couple shower and thunderstorm clusters as we head towards the middle of next week. But as you can see, the hot weather does continue onward.